Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello, we meet again. I'm Rusnani Ahmad from University Science Malaysia Library. So now for part 2, direct quotations with parenthetical citations take over. This video tutorial, I'm focusing on the block quotations. What is block quotations? Block quotations meaning you are having more than 40 words of the original author's verbatims or words, ideas, right? So you are having now the examples of doing direct quotations with parenthetical citations for block quotations. Okay, this is an example of it. Researchers have studied how people talk to themselves. Have a dot, double dot, and then here the starting point for your block quotations. For block quotations, you no need to have the quotations mark, but you need to have an indent so that you will have the whole body of the block quotations in one block form. Right? An example here. Inner speech is a paradoxical phenomenon. Dot. And then they have another explanations. It is an experience that is central to many people's everyday life, and yet it presents considerable challenges to any effort to study it scientifically, right? Nevertheless, another explanations for the block quotations, a wide range of methodologies and approaches have combined to shed light on the subjective experience of inner speech and its cognitive and neural underpinning. So there is a full stop, the end of the block quotations, and now the rules of parenthetical citation need a bracket. So you are having a bracket here. All right. Here, the starting point of the bracket. Alverson, Day, and Fahrenheit. Okay, two authors, comma, 2015, comma, have the page number P dot, have a space 957, and have the close bracket, yeah, the bracket. If you have more than one pages that you are having the quotation blocks, so you need to have from which page P dot 957, okay, then dash have the next page number, right? And then have a bracket, then there you go, finish on doing the direct quotations with parenthetical citations for block quotations. So that by then, thank you very much. Until we meet to the next videos on in-text citations. Bye. Rusnani Ahmad signing off.